On the Ickonic Connect, the news show this week, the 15-minute city. Everything you need, so they tell you, within a 15-minute walk or cycle ride of where you live. But if you leave the area by car more often than the authorities say you can, you'll get fined. It's not a tyranny or anything. And then we have governments spending billions in, quote, climate reparations and on illegal migration, while the population struggle to find the money for enough to eat and to keep warm. And then the insanity of the EU stockpiling diesel because of decisions the EU is about to make to ban Russian oil. The West is imposing sanctions on Russia? No. The West is imposing sanctions on the West. So why? That's the Connect, the news show on Ickonic from 10 a.m. every Saturday, UK. And you can have a free 7-day trial with Ickonic anytime you want.